So hi, my name's Mark Miller. I'm the vice president of our CASE team. CASE is our cyber application service engineering team at CloudFit. A little bit of my IT background. I'd say my first real job was in college, where I was a VAX operator on the old mainframe days. But then I got an internship at Lexmark International. They had actually just split from IBM at the time, and I got fortunate enough to be able to work with their first network printers, and learned a lot about networking. Actually learned a lot about the fact that I probably didn't want to be a programmer, and I enjoyed the space a little more than I did the stuff I was studying in school. I did end up with a degree in computer science and mathematics, but basically got my first job out of school in Chattanooga, Tennessee, at a foundry where they paid for me to migrate them from NetWare to Windows NT. I learned a lot about Microsoft through that process, and within a year, I was actually hired on at Microsoft. I moved to Dallas, Texas, and I stayed with Microsoft for 22 years. During that time, I got to do a number of jobs. I'm not kind of the type to just sit in one thing. So I started in product support, but I moved into technical account management. I moved into program management, some leadership positions. Probably one of the most, I'll say two of the more interesting things I did while at the company. I was a ITIL Microsoft Operations Framework consultant for a number of years, and I got to travel the world for the company, helping customers understand how to put process, basically people, process, technology frameworks around how they actually run operations. So that was just a wonderful experience, and got to go to tons of customers and learn so much from every customer around how they actually run their systems. And then because of that experience, I ended up going to work with Carroll Moon, who's our CTO. And we basically ran operations for what has become Microsoft 365. So we got to obviously watch that grow from, a handful of customers to millions of customers where it is today, and live through the pain of building that service and really understanding, how to improve the service, how to communicate with customers when there were issues, how to ensure that those issues never come back again, how to secure the systems, how to ensure availability, all of those things. It was just a wonderful experience, and we're real happy to be able to bring that to our customers.